a blanket and cozy up because today we're making Panera Bread's famous broccoli cheddar soup at home and even better. First step is to cook down our onions and garlic in some olive oil. Then we'll set that aside and add our butter and flour to make a roux. Now we're going to add our chicken broth, heavy cream, and milk. Also add back your onion and garlic mixture along with your spices, carrots, and broccoli. Cover and allow to simmer for 15 to 20 minutes until it looks like this. Then add your cheese and salt and pepper to taste. Just make sure to serve with some crispy bread, and that's it. Stay hungry.
I'm going to show you all how to make my all-time favorite soup from culinary school. First, saute onions, carrot, and fennel with a good pinch of salt. Then add in lentils, bay leaf, cinnamon stick, and veggie broth. Bring this up to a boil, then let it simmer until the lentils are soft, about 20 minutes. Blend about 2 cups of this mixture until smooth, and then add it back into your soup. You'll get this creamy, healthy bowl of lentil soup that is so yummy.